video. In today's video, we'll be looking at a circle theorem question from May 2022. Okay, it says A, J, K, L, and M are points on the circumference of a circle with center O. MK is a diameter of the circle and parallel to HJ. MJ is equal to JL and angle JMK is equal to 38 degrees. So explain, given a reason why angle HJM is equal to 38 degrees. So they would like to know why this angle is equal, which is HJM is equal to 38 degrees. So they want to know why that angle there is equal to 38 degrees. Now, so whenever we have two parallel lines, because they told us that HJ is parallel to MK, so these two lines are parallel and they are cut by a diagonal here, which is MJ. So MJ is a diagonal. So if two lines are cut by a diagonal, it simply means that alternate angles are equal. So therefore, if this angle is equal to 38, then that angle is also equal to 38. So we know that alternate angles are equal. Okay, so we know that. So MJK is equal to 90 degrees. So they want to know why this is equal to 90 degrees. But again, we have MK being a diameter, and we know that if the angle the angle that comes off this chord MK, which is a diameter, right, is going to be equal to 9 because the circle to be divided into a semicircle, and angles in a semicircle is equal to 90 degrees. In addition to that, if we follow the concept that says angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference standing on the same arc, this angle here in the middle is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, this angle here is going to be half of 180, which is going to be equal to 90 degrees. So we know that angles in a semicircle is equal to 90 degrees. So that much we know. All right. In addition to that now, gentle people, we are to find angle MLG, and we are to find LJK. MLG, before we can do that, we would have to know what this angle is. So here we have, so I want us to identify. So here we have a chord. So this line here is a chord. And on that chord, there are two angles that comes off that chord. So therefore we have this angle here, which is M. So this one we had said was equal to 52. And here we have another angle coming off the same chord of MG. So therefore, because two angles are now in the same segment, because this chord has divided up the circle into minor segment, and this one into what? Major segment. So because these two angles are in the same segment, so therefore these two angles are in the same segment. So therefore, if this is 52, this angle is also equal to 52 degrees. So therefore, MLG is equal to 52 degrees because angles in the same segment are equal, standing on the same arc. Okay. In addition to that, now we need to find LJK. So we need to find this little angle here. We needed to find that LJK. So we need this little angle inside here, right? But before we can find that little angle, we will have to first calculate the size of this angle here. So we'll have to now first find the size of this angle. Now, remember, this line was equal to this line. So therefore, we have an isosceles triangle. And therefore, if this angle is 52, this angle here is also equal to 52. Okay? What else do we know? We know that angles in a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Okay? So therefore, this piece here is equal to 180 minus 52 plus 52, which is equal to 180 minus 104, which is equal to 76 degrees. Okay, so we know that that angle is equal to 76 degrees. But what else did we calculate? We had calculated that this entire thing, that was the second question that they asked us, was equal to 90 degrees. So therefore, if that angle is equal to 90 degrees, and we have, and this angle here, thus this little piece here is equal to 76, then therefore JHM, no, I'm sorry, LJK is equal to 90 minus 76, which is equal to 14 degrees. So this little piece here is equal to 14 degrees. And the last one is that we wanted to know this angle here. Okay. Now, again, if we notice, we have what is called a cyclic quadrilateral. So here we have a cyclic quadrilateral. And what do we know? We know that opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. And we already calculated that this angle here was equal to 52 degrees. So therefore, angle JHM is equal to 180 minus 52, which is equal to 128 degrees. Because why? Opposite angles in a cyclic quad are supplementary. So therefore, this is how you would have worked this question. So I ask you, no, this might seem very messy at this point in time, but I ask you to just re-watch the video, slow down, and take your time, go through it slowly, and trying to understand. Leave a comment in the comment section below to let me know if you understand and if I need to redo this video in order for you to understand. Okay, be blessed.